How many of you here have had your lives changed by WildFit? Please stand. Please stand. Thank you so much. Now I'd like to invite the WildFitters to come on stage, please. So if WildFit has transformed your life, come on stage with me. Look at the sheer number of people over here. Does anybody have a crazy WildFit story of how WildFit transformed you? Yes.
I was on antidepressants for 8 years. WildFit, no antidepressants anymore.
I stopped drinking alcohol as a result of it.
Wow.
I'm shedding 50 pounds.
I thought I had chronic blocked nose, but it was due to dairy.
I got rid of Coke and potato chips for life.
Who else?
I can sleep again.
You can sleep again. Amazing. Who else?
I had enough energy to start my business at 48.
I'm 77 and I only take one medication.
77 and only one medication.
WildFit not only changed my relationship with food, I no longer binge eat, but it changed my relationship with myself and the way that I understand my own thoughts and emotions.
I used to walk with a limp, and now I run in minutes.
And by the way, was it difficult or was it easier than you expected? Everyone. Everyone says easier than you expected. Everyone should do this. Thank you, guys.
We love WildFit!